What's up, everybody? My name is Dana Harris with Gurus Math Tutoring, and I'm back again to drop some more math jewels. In this video, I'm continuing to talk about logarithms, and we are going to actually expand logarithms using the different properties, the power property, the quotient property, and the product property. And we're going to combine these properties together. Let's go ahead and get into some examples. Now, if you are not familiar with the three properties that I just mentioned, then please go share or go watch the video that I did explaining the properties, and then I broke each property down individually. So that's about a series of 4 videos which you can find in this playlist. So example 1, I want to have log base 10 of 7 x cubed y z. All right, now we're multiplying these, and then that's an exponent in there. So I want to have log base 10, remember we want to expand this, of 7 plus log base 10 of x to the third plus log base 10 of y plus log base 10 of z. All right, this can stay that way, this can stay that way. However, I have an exponent there. All right, so I need to change that term with an exponent, and remember the power rule tells me that this exponent goes to the front. All right, and then everything else stays the same. All right, so this is the expanded version of this same thing. We use the power property and we use the product property, and this is your solution. All right, so let's look at another example, and these can get actually long depending on what all is in there, but as you can see, there's not any calculations to really do, so that's the cool thing about it. Let's say if I have example 2 and I have the log base 2 of x to the 1/2 power y to the 3rd power. All right, so I have multiplication and then I have exponents. So let's expand that. Let's say log base 2 of x to the 1/2 plus, because of multiplication, log base 2 of y to the 3rd power. But we are not finished because we have to deal with that exponent as well as that exponent, and the rule tells us I need to move that to the front end. So I have 1/2, this moves like that, this moves like that. All right, log base 2 of x plus 3 or tree log base 2 of y. Now I am done. That's about all that I can do with that. All right, let's do 2 more examples. We've got to throw one in there with the quotient rule or quotient property. All right, so let's do one with the quotient property, and we have example 3. And for the quotient property, I want to say log base 4 of 2 to the 5th power over 8. All right, now quotient property tells us I'm going to use subtraction. All right, so I have log base 4 of 2 to the 5th power minus log base 4 of 8. All right, but I still have that exponent, so I need to take that to the front like that, and I'm going to have 5 log base 4 of 2 minus log base 4 of 8, and that would be my final answer of the expansion. And let's do one more example. I hope these examples are helping you out. The main thing you want to be able to do is take these examples and be able to do some practice problems on your own. Okay, so the last example I want to show you looks like this. We have log base 5 of the 4th root of c over d to the third power. All right, so still going to keep log base 5. I'm going to say the fourth root of c, and then minus log base 5 of d to the third power. Now, this has an exponent. This is the same thing as log base 5 of c to the 1/4 power. All right? Be very, very mindful of those roots. Okay? And so now I have to take the exponents to the front of both terms. So 1/4 log base 5 of c, that's an ugly 5, minus 3 log base 5 of d. All right, that's our final answer. So we kind of expanded these by using multiple properties in each one. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I appreciate you all for helping me to share my vision with the world. I want to help students all around the world understand and learn and be able to do mathematics on their own independently. I know it's not everyone's favorite subject, but we know that no matter what level of education that you go through, you have to go through some math. And believe it or not, we all use mathematics in our day-to-day lives. Now, we're not always going through finding logarithms like I do and like I teach, but we are applying mathematics in our day-to-day lives at all levels of life. Go to Instagram at YG Math Tutoring, Facebook, Young Gurus Math Tutoring. Like the page, and definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel. Share this with someone. The videos come out every Monday, and guess what? I've got the solution to your math problems.